In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter journal entries in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant managing financial statements, knowing how to accurately log your journal entries is crucial. Let's dive right in and break down this process step by step. First off, you'll want to access the Manual Journal section. When you open Zoho Books, look for the Accountant module on the left sidebar. This is your gateway to managing all your journal transactions effectively. Click on the Manual Journals option, and it will take you to the section where all your journal activities are tracked and stored. Now, you are ready to create a new journal entry. To do this, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on the plus New Journal button. This will open a fresh entry form where you'll need to fill in some header details. Let's walk through them. Start with the date of your entry. This is essential for keeping track of when the transaction occurred. Typically, the journal number is automatically generated by Zoho Books, but you can customize it via the gear icon if you have a specific numbering system you prefer. Adding a brief description in the notes section helps in quickly identifying the nature of the entry at a later date. Next is the reporting method. Here, you have options to choose between cash, accrual, or both, with both being the default setting. Lastly, if you're dealing in foreign currencies, make sure to set the appropriate currency to maintain accurate financial reports. Once you've filled in the header details, it's time to add debit and credit lines. In the journal table, you'll select the relevant ledger account from a drop-down menu. This could be anything from a bank account, an expense category, or even equity. If there's a specific customer or vendor tied to this entry, you have the option to note that under the contact section, though this is completely optional. The key thing to remember here is that your debit and credit amounts must balance out. Simply put, the total debited must equal the total credited to ensure your books are accurate. With all your details in place, you have a couple of options to conclude this process. If you need more time to review your entry or wait for additional information, you can click Save as Draft. This allows you to revisit and modify the entry before finalizing it. However, if you're ready to commit the entry to your books, click Save and Publish. This action will post the entry to your financial statements, making it a permanent part of your financial records. And there you have it. You've successfully entered a journal entry in Zoho Books. It's a straightforward process, but attention to detail is key to maintaining the integrity of your financial data. Keep practicing these steps until you feel confident about managing your journal entries efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.